Today our topic is Great Depression. Great Depression, the period in between 1929 to 1939. There are four important questions on the Great Depression. Now you should understanding four questions are there. What are the main problems of the Germany during the period of the Great Depression? How escaped the Russia from the Great Depression? What are the welfare programs formed by the USA and UK? What are the arguments of the Great Depression? We can identify most important four questions are there. Now, the next one is Hitler promises. The Great Depression is the great opportunity to take off that Hitler to form of their Nazism. First of all, we should take only the problems of the Great Depression in Germany. Face of the First World War, the Germany was faced some problems are there or arise the problems in Germany. In 1932, due to the Great Depression, the industries were closed in the Germany. The mob of the workers are also leaved. After 1932, the Great Depression was main cause to reduce the wages of the 40% of the workers in the industries. Some industries are also shut down. Some factories are also closed. It is the great suffer due to the Great Depression in Germany. And jobs are also lost to so many people, and unemployment was also raised 6 millions of the people. So this is the main impact of the Great Depression in Germany. And you should take the next one, how the escape of the Russia. The leadership of the Stalin, most important plans are also designed in the Russia. Stalin designed the 5-year plans. In 1928, the 5-year plan, the 5-year plan was introduced to the Stalin in the world. All countries are also followed them. That is one. And the factories are also nationalized in the USSR. Not only the factories, the land collective farms are also introduced. All land is also by the hands of the government in Russia. And the next scheme is only the sharing world markets are not allowed to his country. The Russia, USSR did not follow the world marketism. So these are the benefits to development of their country by the Stalin. So that the Russia was escaped from the Great Depression. And also the demand and supply is also balanced by him. So the Russia was a great approach to the economy. And next, what are the welfare programs of USA and UK? The welfare programs are, the first one is the Universal Retire Pension is the best policy created by the USA. And the second scheme is only the employment insurance is the another scheme formed by the USA and the UK. And the next one is the employment insurance. Old age pension is also introduced by that country. And the next health schemes, child care nurse, these are also formed by the UK. The USA and UK, both countries are also introduced the welfare schemes during the Great Depression time. And what are the arguments between the J.M. Keynes and Marxist? J.M. Keynes argument, it is the mistake of the government. The Great Depression is only caused by the government. That is the responsibility of the government to set up the back of the development of economy. But here is not there. J.M. Keynes argued or denounced only the mistake of the government it is. And Marx's argument is, it is only the mistake of the capitalists. So many, more than 70% percent of the people are also supposed to the J.M. King's argument. Here we can identify four important questions. One is the problems of Germany and escape of the Russia and welfare programs of USA and UK, and what are the arguments between the J.M. Kings and Marxist communists. Here Hitler used the opportunity, set back his programs. He promised to the German people. What is that promise? He constructed the strong nation of the Germany during the period of the Great Depression. And next, massive rallies are also conducted. He conducted the public meetings. The German peoples are also faith on their programs. So the Hitler also give the best positive impacts on the Germans. So it is the most important question to under context to the students. Thank you.